Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you all today? Hope so you are doing good. Again, new video for you. Welcome to my channel V4 Concept Learning. So today we are going to start our new lesson. So be ready. Let's go for the next slide. Students, in previous class we did our nouns, type of nouns, then we did articles, then after that we did pronouns and type of pronouns. So today our new lesson is about verb. Verb means what? What do you mean by verb? आया कुछ समझ में क्या होता है verb? Use your mind and think what is verb. Verb is an action. क्या होता है वर्ब? एक्शन करना. क्या एक्शन करते हैं? क्या काम हम करते हैं? मूविंग, रनिंग, डूइंग समथिंग. दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एक्शन यू आर डूइंग. डूइंग एन एक्शन इज कॉल्ड वर्ब. सो आवर न्यू लेसन इज अबाउट वर्ब. तो चलें आगे देखते हैं क्या है वर्ब लेसन में. Verbs. What is a verb? So let me explain the definition of verb first. वर्ब क्या होता है? वर्ब किसे कहते हैं? अ वर्ब इज एन एक्शन डूइंग समथिंग. हम जो भी कुछ करते हैं, जो एक्टिविटी करते हैं, उसको हम वर्ब कहते हैं. मूवमेंट ऑफ योर बॉडी, डूइंग समथिंग. कैन यू गिव मी एन एक्शन मीन्स कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर वर्ब? ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्ब. रन इज अ वर्ब. Why is it a verb? Because you are doing an action. A boy is running. See in a picture, a boy is running. So that shows that is doing a action or an action. So boy is running and run is a verb. Walk is a verb. Why is it a verb? A boy is walking, moving from one place to another. He is doing an action. So walk is also called verb. Walk is a verb. Jump is a verb. A girl is jumping on a rope. Jump is a verb. She is doing an action. She is moving her body. She is moving from one area to the another one, the place. So moving or doing an action is called verb. So jump is also a verb. सो हमने पहले वाले स्लाइड्स में देखा कि बॉय और गर्ल वो मूव कर रहे हैं, वो एक एक्शन था. और एक्शन और भी होते हैं. बॉयल इज अ वर्ब. व्हाई इज इट वर्ब? बिकॉज वाटर इज बॉइलिंग मीन्स डूइंग एन एक्शन. वाटर एकदम शांत नहीं है, वो बॉयल हो रहा है, तो उसके अंदर मूवमेंट हो रही है. तो मूवमेंट हो रही है, मूव हो रहा है, तो बॉयल इज अ वर्ब. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ वर्ब. Students, in your grade we have to do the verb action verb we are doing, but in another grades you are going to read about linking verb and helping verb. These are the three kinds of verb, or we can say three types of verbs you are going to read in another class also. So first we have to do according to your grade action verb. Just now I explained you about the action verb. What are the action verb? Doing something, movement of a body or something you are doing is called action verb. So next class you will read about linking verb and helping verb. Students, let's do the practice for the worksheet. Before we will start the worksheet, let me recall all we did in our previous slides. Verb. Verb means doing an action, doing something, moving from one place to another place, cooking, reading, writing, jumping. All these are called action verb. So here the two worksheets are there in front of your screen. First one, circle the verbs. What are the verbs? Is bicycle a verb? No, it's a noun. Read. Yes, read. You are doing something. You are reading book. So circle word read. Tell. Yes, circle tell. Story is a verb? No. Looks. Yes, looks verb. Funny cat. Funny cat is a verb. Okay, it's your homework. You have to do by yourself. The two lines are there. Fun, plays with child, dog runs around a take. So these two lines you have to find the verb in these lines and make a circle. Next one, again they are in a sentence. Now you have to find the verbs in a sentence and make a circle on it. Jan jumps high. What the Jan is doing? Jumps. So jumps an action verb, doing an action. The dog runs fast. Where is the action verb or where is the verb? Runs. Dog runs fast. So run is a verb. I eat an apple. Where is the verb? Eat. You are eating. I eat an apple. So circle the word eat. Now two sentences are there. You have to do as a homework. We walk to the park. Find the verb and make a circle. I wash my hands. Find a verb, make a circle. Students, हम छोटी छोटी वीडियो बना के लेसन्स को ईजी कर रहे हैं समझने के लिए. So in the next video, I will make the another one for the verbs. Now here, thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and like my channel too. Same as at the end of the slide or end of the lesson, I usually ask you to do like, share and subscribe my channel. And waiting for the next video. Soon I will be there. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you soon.